Many people over the age of 50 are trying very hard to heal their liver, but they are unknowingly making a few simple mistakes every single day that keep their liver inflamed, tired, and overloaded. You may already be eating salads. You may already be avoiding fried food. You may even think you are doing everything correctly. But what if the real problem is hidden inside habits that actually look healthy? And what if these small mistakes are the reason your energy stays low, your digestion feels slow, and your fatty liver never fully improves? Today, I'm going to show you the 3 hidden mistakes seniors make that silently stop the liver from healing. And stay with me until the end, because the final mistake is one almost everybody over 50 makes without realizing it. Your liver is one of the hardest working organs in your body. It filters toxins. It balances your blood sugar. It helps control fat storage. It supports digestion. And it gives your body the energy you need every single day. But after the age of 50, your liver becomes more sensitive. It still works hard, but it does not recover as quickly as it did when you were younger. That means small daily habits can either help your liver heal or slowly damage it over time. I'm Dr. Tane, and I help you live longer, stronger, and healthier naturally. Subscribe now, and let's add healthy years to your life. Now let us begin with the first hidden mistake. The first mistake is what I call the healthy fructose trap. This one surprises many people. A lot of seniors stop eating white sugar, which is a very good step. But then they start drinking large amounts of fruit juice or buying low-fat packaged foods that are marketed as healthy. The problem is that your liver processes fructose differently from other sugars. When you drink fruit juice, even natural juice, the sugar reaches your liver very quickly. And because there is no fiber slowing it down, your liver can become overloaded. When too much fructose reaches the liver at once, the liver starts turning that excess sugar into fat. That fat stays trapped inside the liver. This is one reason many people still have fatty liver disease even when they are avoiding junk food. And here is something important many people do not realize. You can look thin on the outside and still have fat building up inside your liver. This is not only about body weight. It is about what your liver is being forced to process every day. Packaged low-fat foods can also create problems. Many of them remove fat, but add extra sugars to improve taste. That means people think they are eating healthy while their liver is quietly struggling in the background. So what is the fix? Stop drinking fruit juice every day. Instead, eat the whole fruit. When you eat the whole fruit, the natural fiber acts like a brake. It slows down how quickly the sugar enters your body. That gives your liver time to process it safely. An apple is much better than apple juice. An orange is much better than orange juice. Simple changes like this can make a very big difference over time. Now let us move to the second hidden mistake. This mistake is not about what you eat. It is about when you eat. Your liver works on a natural internal clock. During the daytime, your liver helps process food and energy. But at night, your liver needs time to rest and repair itself. This is when the liver performs many of its important cleaning functions. But many people never give the liver enough time to do this. They eat dinner very late. Then they snack again before bed. Some people even wake up during the night and eat sweets or leftovers. If your liver is constantly digesting food, it never fully switches into repair mode. Imagine trying to clean your house while people keep throwing more trash inside. That is exactly what happens to your liver. This is one reason many seniors wake up feeling tired even after sleeping for several hours. Their body never had enough time to recover properly overnight. Here is the fix. Try to finish your last meal by around 7 in the evening. Then allow your body at least 12 hours before breakfast the next morning. This gives your liver a valuable resting window. During this time, your body can begin clearing stored fat, removing toxins, and restoring balance. Many people notice they wake up feeling lighter, more refreshed, and more energetic after making this one simple change. And no, this does not mean starving yourself. It simply means giving your body enough time between meals so your liver can finally do its repair work. Now, let us talk about the third hidden mistake. This one is becoming more common every year. The supplement overload. Many people see advertisements online promising miracle detox pills, magical liver cleanses, or fast fat-burning supplements. And because they want quick results, they buy several products at once. But here is the truth. Your liver is your body's filter. Everything you swallow eventually passes through it. That means when you overload your body with too many unnecessary supplements, you may actually be giving your liver more work instead of less. Some supplements are poorly tested. Some contain hidden chemicals. And some combinations can place extra stress on the liver. This is especially risky for older adults already taking medications. Now, this does not mean all supplements are bad, but your liver heals best when you focus on simple, natural support first. Your daily food choices matter much more than expensive detox pills. So what should you focus on instead? Focus on real foods that naturally support liver health. Garlic is excellent for the liver. Turmeric helps support healthy inflammation levels. Green leafy vegetables help the body process toxins naturally. These foods have supported human health for generations, and they cost very little compared to trendy supplements. Your liver does not need complicated solutions. It needs consistency. It needs rest. It needs proper nutrition. And it needs fewer things that overload it every day. Now, here is something very important I want you to remember. Healing your liver is not a race. It is a daily process. Small choices repeated every day create big changes over time. When you remove excess sugar, your liver begins to recover. When you stop late-night eating, your body starts repairing itself overnight. When you focus on natural foods instead of miracle pills, your liver gets a chance to breathe again. And the beautiful thing is this. Many people begin noticing improvements faster than they expect. Their energy improves. Their digestion feels lighter. Their sleep becomes deeper. Their blood test results may begin improving, and they start feeling more like themselves again. Your body wants to heal. You simply need to stop working against it. Take care of your liver now, and it can continue taking care of you for many years to come. Start with one change today, then another tomorrow. And little by little, your health can move in a completely different direction. I'm Dr. Tane, making healthy aging simple for you. Because your health isn't just about you, it's about the people who love you. Like, share, and subscribe for more simple health tips. Stay strong, stay healthy. I'll see you in the next video.